presenting the story of India's first 8-lane extra-dosed cable-stayed bridge across River Narmada. Once again, history has been created under the visionary leadership of Shri Nitinji Gadkari, Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Government of India. Ashoka Buildcon Limited is constructing the Package 4 of Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway, which stretches from Ankleshwar to Manubar in the state of Gujarat. The project is part of the prestigious Bharatmala Pariyojana. The highlight of this package is India's first 8-lane extra-dosed cable-stayed bridge across the river Narmada. The bridge is a massive structure with total length of 4,440 meters with deck width of 24 meters. Out of the project cost of Rs 1,350 crores, the bridge is being constructed with an expected expenditure of Rs 817 crores. The design of the bridge incorporates pile foundations and superstructure using segmental box girder technology. It comprises of two major portions. The extra-dosed portion, which is above the main river, is 1,020 meters in length. The viaduct portion, which is constructed on either sides of the extra-dosed section, totals a length of 1,200 meters. The extra-dosed design facilitates wide span that allow large boats to navigate. Underneath the bridge, there are 16 spans of 120 meters length and 8 spans of 75 meters length in this section. These spans are supported by 16 twin pylons, each with a height of 13 meters above deck level and 33 meters above foundation. The foundations of these pylons are 54 meters deep. A single pylon from base to tip would be as large as 87.5 meters, which would be about the height of a 29-story building. The plant and machinery. To construct such a massive structure in watertight time frames, the machinery to be deployed had to be state-of-the-art. Ashoka Buildcon invested a capex of over 200 crores to create a fleet of high-end mechanical assets for the construction of this project. This included 4 RMC plants of 30 cubic meter per hour capacity, 2 sets of launching girders, 15 gantry cranes, 23 cranes of 75 tons capacity, 4 tower cranes, 5 pile rig machines, 3 vibro hammers, and 8 sets of segment lifters among others. Material. The project has utilized more than 19,500 tons of structural steel for temporary works, 31,600 tons of reinforcement steel, 3,032 tons of high-tension strands, and 710 tons of extra-dosed cables imported from Germany. The total concrete used for the bridge portion is over 168,000 cubic meters. The construction of foundation. Work began on the project site in December 2018. The construction of the extra-dosed portion was a major challenge as the work was supposed to be executed in the river area having tide variations of up to 5 meters. To overcome this challenge, Team Ashoka built temporary steel pile bridges to facilitate the movement of machinery across the river. Although temporary, these steel bridges were built strong enough to carry heavy-duty machines like cranes and rigs to the desired locations in the river. Within a span of 6 months, the work of 72 foundations was completed, which included construction of 439 friction piles. The construction of superstructure. The superstructure of the bridge required the usage of 1,228 segments. The average weight of each segment was about 140 tons. To execute this huge task, the team established 4 casting yards with a cumulative length of about 2 kilometers to accommodate the large number of segments. For the task of positioning these gigantic box segments onto the bridge, two segment launching schemes were deployed. One for the viaduct portion, which was over the ground, and another for the extra dosed portion, which was over the river. Gantry cranes of over 150 tons capacity lifted the segments and placed them on trailers. The trailers transported the segments to the desired locations where they were lifted into position using giant launching girders. Once all the segments in one span were lifted, they were held together and stressed into one unit using high-tension cables. This process was repeated for all 50 spans comprising of 700 segments. For the extra dosed portion of the bridge, the segments were loaded on a floating barge. These barges were carefully tugged by boat until the segment reached the exact location. Each segment was lifted by the segment lifter and held in position by high-tension cables. Here, the process of extra dosed was deployed. These extra dosed cables, imported from Germany, were installed to provide additional strength to the bridge. A total of 528 segments were installed using this method. Major challenges faced during the construction of the bridge. In the year 2019, heavy rains caused River Narmada to create flood situation in the downstream regions. The work zone suffered heavy losses, as one of the two temporary bridges got severely damaged. This was followed by the global pandemic, which resulted in mass migration of the labor force. Then again in 2020, monsoons brought about another round of heavy flood situations. These incidents had the potential to throw the project off track, but Team Ashoka was determined to make a strong comeback. It deployed more machinery and took special efforts for bringing back the migrated laborers to the work zone. The efforts paid off and the construction work regained momentum. The result: nothing is more satisfying than beholding the fruits of one's labor. We are proud to share that despite all the challenges, Team Ashoka completed the project in a record time. The achievement was possible because of the support given by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, the National Highway Authority of India, and the local government bodies. This is the story of the iconic bridge over Narmada, which is standing tall as a symbol of ever-strengthening India's infrastructure development.